That was a lucky punch, man. That's the only reason he won that fight. You ever hear somebody say that? That is a very common expression used by casual boxing fans, because people that are directly involved in the sport, who really know the sport intimately, know there's no such thing as a lucky punch. Every single punch thrown is intended to land or to set up another punch to land. It's all premeditated. We train to react in quarters of a second at a time in the sport of boxing. And again, sometimes opportunities arise, which may be lucky opportunities because your opponent has a lapse in judgment or attention or whatever the opportunity that's created by the opponent, because it's always your opponent that creates the opportunity. But in the end, it's all planned out. So there's no such thing as luck. It's called preparation meets opportunity. It's a very old saying. When you know that if you do this thing at this time, it's going to work, that's not luck. That's proper planning and proper execution. And you'll see a lot of fights, though. Now, I'll say lucky moments, they do pop up, because you'll see guys, they always say the moment of the most danger is right before the moment of victory. So if you have a guy hurt, you're ready to take him out. You're chasing him down. You smell blood. You hunting him down. But he might have one left in the chamber. And you be locked and loaded. You might just let that shit fly. And, you know, like people think like the Danny Garcia no-look hook. He's been doing that shit for years, man. That ain't nothing new. That's something that he just has a weird sense of time, and he's good at throwing that shot without looking, and he lands it. You know what I mean? But it's not luck. So anyway, if you hear somebody say that, don't even bother correcting them. Just know that it's not true. Anyway, I just wanted to clarify that, because I hear that expression way too often, and it bothers me. So anyway, hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check out my Instagram, coach.v_. Give me some ideas, man. You guys keep giving me some really good ideas. Like I said, I got a million videos. But, you know, if yours is good, I'll put it to the top of the list. Anyway, subscribe, like, share again. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time, we out of here. Ow.